Ay, ang cute. Kasi nga parang siya, alam mo yung diffuser ko, parang gano'n lang. Powder? Kaya pala powdery. Pero because of them, parang I get a glimpse ng current generation now. Oh,
Ayun, sa kape.
I am young with a Y.
And I'm Mike.
Plastic.
Nakatingin sa camera, ano ba dapat?
Cafe. Life updates.
What's the hardest part of your job? What's the part that you love the most? The hardest part is waking up early in the morning, like 6:30 a.m.
Yeah, yun ang hardest part ng job namin. Wasn't easy in the beginning, pero we just kind of gotten used to it.
Yeah.
Ako yung because I understand Thai. So, wala nakakalagpas sa akin ng mga Thai na sinasabi ng mga bata. Paminsan, they would think na hindi mo naintindihan. So, napaka-careless nila sa mga pinagsasabi nila. Minsan bastos. So, naintindihan ko siya. The part I love the most naman about my job, apart from...
Salary.
Ako yung being able to connect with kids.
Wow, Miss
Makes me feel young. Hindi nga, makes me feel young kasi we're not young anymore. Pero because of them, parang I get a glimpse ng current generation now. And I also get to understand how different generations differ from each other. Where do they operate from? So it's nice to have that understanding of the youth today. And since parang nag-iiba-iba yung estudyante namin, I always get a parang perspective of the current youth. Kasi may mga estudyante kami from 10 years ago. Kabatch lang namin sila. Pero yung mga bata ngayon, ganito na pala ang mga ano na ngayon. So, nagiging up-to-date ka din sa mga trends, sa mga Sigma, mga
May
Skibidi.
ka sa mga estudyante mo.
Ano?
Yung mga Instagram nila, walang mukha.
Yeah. Tsaka mga estudyante namin, 5-5 ang IG accounts niyan.
Ay ba?
Tinanong ko once. Dito? Masarap yung breads. I love that they specialize in one type of food, which is sourdough breads. And they make yummy sourdough breads. Yun lang, although I wish na extend nila yung kanilang cafe hours. Kasi they close really early, 4:30 eh.
You're back in Chiang Mai, that's normal.
Don't justify it. Madami po bang pinagkaiba ng culture sa North and South? Actually, parang Pilipinas din siya. So, may 4 na distinct regions sa Thailand. North, Northeast, ang Northeast ang Isan. Central, which is Bangkok. Yung 4 na regions na yun, ang medyo different ng dialect is yung South tsaka yung North. Oo, yung Isan. Yung Isan is a former part of Laos, hindi ng Thailand. Ngayon, pagdating naman sa culture, parang pare-parehas lang. Pero interestingly, medyo iba din sila ng physical features. For example, sa South, mas maraming sun. So yung mga tao doon has more melanin pigments on their skin. Dito sa North naman less. So, ano mo na. Pero hindi masyadong stark yung difference. Hindi tulad sa Pilipinas. Kasi yung regions are still connected by land. Hindi tulad sa atin islands. Mas isolated siya. So, sa Pilipinas, ang diversity ng culture, ng dialects and everything is more diversified compared dito sa Thailand. Kung sa Thailand meron lang 4 na distinct regions, sa Pilipinas sobrang dami. Question lang po, government employee ako after retirement ko maganda mag-stay dyan. Yes. Retirement in Thailand I think is a good decision, lalo na if you have some extra funds, Pero depende naman sa lifestyle mo. Although yun lang ang iba sa Thailand. Sa ibang bansa kasi mayroong pathway for residency. Dito wala. Meron kaming mga kaibigan na nakapangasawa na ng mga Thai. Pero sobrang tagal and difficult daw ng process to be a Thai citizen. Anong magandang retirement place dyan? Definitely Chiang Mai. Chiang Mai is a booming parang destination for retirees and expats. kung gusto mo namang beach sa south. Yung Bangkok, we recommend na you skip it for summer because it's too busy. Pwede yung Bangkok for a weekend trip, parang 1 week ka dun, stay in a nice hotel, ganun. Pero for long term, Bangkok is not ideal, for us at least. A new fan here, I love your videos so much. It's like watching in premium. Thank you, JC. Maaraw. Hi, welcome to your vlog. Video yan. Video yan. Ha? Uy, binili ko yung lamp kanina. Ito tayo.
Ito, ang pangit mo. Seryoso ka? Binili mo yun? Sobrang pangit ng lamp mo.
Actually, bago siya binili ko na, akala ko magugustuhan ko. Kasi, ang pangit daw, inibili ko na yun. Ang in-expect ko, sasabihin mo, ay, ang cute. Kasi nga, parang siyang, alam mo yung diffuser ko nun, parang gano'n lang.
Sinabi ko sa'yo, vapor, ano yung lamp bibilihin natin.
Temporarily, mura lang naman. Nagulat nga ako, sabi mo, ang pangat siya. Nabili ko na t-shirt, sabi ko. Grabe ka naman, pangat ng ugali mo. And 225.
Kasing pangit ng lamp mo.
Uy, ang cute ko
Hindi
yun.
so cute mo kasing termos.
I am young with a Y. You are.
Ano ba dapat yung yong?
Sometimes it's spelled with an I.
Ayong. And I'm Mike.
Plastic. We've been together as a couple for 12 years. And at the same time, I've been in Thailand for 12 years. And you have been here for?
13 years.
We came here during our early 20s. I was 22.
I was 21.
So essentially, we've spent most or all of our 20s dito na sa Thailand. Some people might have the impression na we've only been here for 5 minutes.
I remember din na sa Facebook, may nagalit kasi they thought, or that person thought, na bago lang tayo sa Thailand.
And I think that's important to clarify because a lot of people would invalidate, would disprove
Mhm.
our experiences just because they think we've been here for not enough time. And I think that's unfair. That's why we're saying it here. Now, let's just say the things that we love about Chiang Mai. Ako, I love that it's the perfect mix of city life, local life. Yung dalawa na yun kasi. And then, parang you got access to airports, international flights. We could just hop on a flight tomorrow to Tokyo or
Osaka. Mali-mali pa.
sa Bangkok. It's too busy. It's a concrete jungle.
Mm.
But whenever you want to do something,
Mm.
you don't have enough time, you don't have enough money, and you're always too exhausted before you even get to do the things that you want to do.
Yeah.
Enough, you have coffee, Jan?
มีความเย็นนิดนึงนะครับจะไม่ได้ร้อนนะครับ
okay. Kabang ka. Thank you. Sayang kung may dala sana tripod, nakalimutan lang din. Good morning, people. This is one of our favorite cafes. Tamis ata ngayon, pero masarap. Or nag-adjust na lang yung palate ko. May nagtatanong kasi sa atin, ano daw, mga top 5 cafes sa Chiang Mai. In terms of coffee, naisip ko 3, Cherry Monkey, 9 Bar, tsaka dito. If you talk about yung quality ng beans, yung 9 Bar kasi, it's very humble from the outside kasi trailer cafe lang siya. Yung barista si ate, she's very consistent sa ginagawa ng coffee. So, if magugustuhan mo siya the first time, you will like it every time. And I like that she's very honest sa coffee menu niya. Kasi nakalagay doon, caramel coffee. Hindi siya caramel macchiato. Kasi hindi naman talaga siya macchiato, di ba? Yung iba kasi nilalagay lang yun, pero hindi naman talaga yun. So that's where I get my coffee Monday to Friday every morning. Second naman yung Cherry Monkey. Cherry Monkey, maraming selection of coffee beans. If you wanna try Colombian or Ethiopian, this particular day you can kasi marami doon. And also, their roast is different. Their medium roast is perfect. Third one is dito. Dito naman kasi medyo malayo. Kaya hindi siya yung Italian concoctions. Meron silang sarili pero espresso based pa din. Meron din silang house recipe yung Enough Coffee, which is named from the cafe na Enough for Life. Yun ang sabi niya na ano daw siniset up ang camera na ito naman siya. Ano yun nandun ang camera? Papatong lang. My experience, very pleasant, very positive naman yung these are parang Madeleines. Supplements. I don't know if it's the same person na nag-ask. Parang galing na hindi dito.
Excited ka na ma-meet yung ating famous Isabelian friend.
Kaya nga, dati hindi ako naniniwalang famous siya sa Isabela. Kala ko joke na lang yun. Pero nung umuwi sa Pilipinas, nakita mo, grabe talaga yung reception ng mga tao. May tarpaulin sa airport. Tapos kung saan siya nagbabar, laging mayroong special parang graphics sa TV, sa big screen.
So mga taga Isabela dyan, feeling ko kilalang kilala nyo.
Tagal-tagal.
Galing ako ng bukid.
Finally,
Alam mo, naniniwala na ako na sikat ka talaga sa Isabela. Dati hindi ako naniniwala. Sabi ko, ano ba yan? It's so arrogant. Charot.
Char.
Naniniwala na ako sikat ka doon.
Uy, tumigil ka. Hindi.
Hindi
Sila
nga.
lang ngayon. Hindi nga.
Ay, wait lang. Kamusta yung Pilipinas yung pag-uwi mo?
Ang taas ng cost of living nila.
di ba?
Sobra. Alam mo yung,
Inflation.
grabe yung, ang tawag dito, nag-grocery ako, nababalik ng Thailand. Sobrang konti lang. Tapos umabot ako ng 6,000 pesos.
Ah, true.
Unexpected.
Kayo ng price.
Unexpected talaga.
Saan yung mga pasalubong, yung mga
Oo.
Pinoy goods na
Oo.
dadali mo?
Alam mo lang yung dala ko, 2 pack nung pancit canton, 2 pack
Delata.
nung spicy beef, tapos mga delata.
Mm.
Grabe. So sabi
Kaya
ko,
nga, no?
sa mama ko, alam mo itong 6,000 na to? Sabi ko, kaya ko mabuhay sa
1
budget
month.
na to for like 2 weeks.
Ang laki
ano,
na
Okay. Nataas ano.
hindi kasi including na yung mga transportation
Bangkok
or
pa nga
what.
pala.
Sa Bangkok kasi, di ba?
Wait.
Kaya,
Mga
hindi,
pala.
grabe
Pero
talaga.
totoo, ngayon ko naalala ng kwento mo nga.
Tapos, anong tawag dito? Medical service din.
Mm.
Doon ko ulit na ang medical service.
Ah.
Akin yan. Ako, okay ako doon.
Oh.
Ayun, sa gabi.
I like your makeup. What's the shade?
Powder nga lang yan.
Powder? Kaya pala powdery.
Diba?
Pero ilan taong ka na? Ilan taong ka na sa Thailand ulit?
7 years.
7 years ka na. You came here when you were
20.
20.
Oo.
Ngayon.
27.
Pero grabe what 7 years had, had an effect on you. You look 44.
Ano ka?
Ay, wait. Marirecommend mo ba to someone, maybe a friend or relative na
No.
mag-work din dito as a teacher kasi yun na naman ang meron tayong experience.
Actually naman, pwede pa rin naman sila mag-work kahit hindi teacher. Kahit yung mga bachelor's degree like tourism.
Pwede nga. But my question is, based
As a
on your
teacher.
experience as a teacher in teaching, marirecommend mo ba to someone you know?
Oo. Kung bata pa sila.
So
Bata pa. Old.
ages ka, nag-age discriminate ka?
Kasi hindi naman, hindi siya
May discrimination pala eh.
So, hindi siya ganun. Kasi dito, wala silang retirement plan, right?
Mhm.
So,
Oo.
in the Philippines, at least like you have your 20 years, di ba yung service na 20 or 25 years ngayon sa
Hindi ko alam.
May makukuha kang, at least like yung
Government yan.
Yes, kung government.
Oo.
Pero depende kasi marami rin nag-i-stay dito na nasa 40 plus na, di ba?
Yung stay nila parang dependent on a yearly visa.
Oo.
Walang residency per
Wala,
se,
yeah.
walang PR.
Walang PR. Pwede naman sila mag-retirement visa. Pero, sobrang pricey. Pero ngayon, marami naman silang pinopromote na mga bagong visa. di ba?
Yeah, yun.
Like yung DTV. Like, so, every 6 months naman yun na kailangan mo siyang i-renew.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Every 6 months ano?
6 months, kailangan mo siyang i-renew.
Ay, hindi mo siya nire-renew.
Pwede lalabas ka ulit. Tapos,
But
6
you don't-
months again.
Hindi siya renewal,
Hindi siya
technically.
renewable. Okay. So, lalabas ka, di ba?
5 years yun eh.
So, pero every 6 months, kailangan mong lumabas, di
Exit.
ba?
I'm not sure.
Ayun yung nabasa ko. O, sige.
Kailangan kasi careful tayo, sabihin natin, baka kasi check. Pero meron akong napansin sa mga young Filipino women na nagpupunta ng Thailand. I'm so happy kasi they found love here.